What's up guys, WRETCHVAGA here. I have big news for those players who play controller on PC. Now that the DUALSENSE PlayStation 5 controller is now compatible on the PC with haptic feedback. Can you believe that? Haptic feedback. Before I tell you, I would like you to like, subscribe and comment down below your thoughts on this milestone we reached on the PC gaming, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get there. I'm a little bit excited. So first thing you do is you like, comment and subscribe. And the second thing you do is go to the link in the description for the DS4 tool. This tool is what's going to help you do that. This is the one I use. This is what I use to download, but you can also use the zip file that has everything already in it. Then you're going to go, take it from here, drag it anywhere, put it into a place that you would like to put it. And then once you have that, you're going to go into your file, into the file, and then you're going to double click this. You're not going to click the update, you're going to click this. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this tool. It's going to ask you for two steps. The first step is for you to download the application drivers, which I have already done. And then the next one is going to ask you to do is download Xbox 360 drivers, because I mean, if you don't have it already on your computer, if you've never plugged in an Xbox controller, Xbox 360 or Xbox One, if you've already done an Xbox One controller, you are fine. There's no need for you to download this. You can just skip the second step and then just update your tool. Just download the update, let it go. Hold on, these notifications are annoying. I'm gonna have to close it. Okay, once that's done, all I suggest you is to do is to take your PlayStation 5 controller, your DUALSENSE, plug it in. It's gonna recognize it. There we go. I already messed about with mine, so I changed my color from blue to pink, and it actually makes the, well, not pink, purple. And I think I just went a little bit too hard on the pink, but it's okay. So once that's plugged in, I'm gonna test it on some games. Let's test it out on Black Ops Cold War. You know what I'm saying? Let's test it out on Black Ops Cold War. And then we're gonna test it out on Minecraft and see what's going on. Maybe I should have tested it on Minecraft first, because this is taking a while. I'm not going to edit this so that people know that this is real and authentic. So yeah, and while I'm here, the link in the description to join the Discord is right there, and the subscribe button is right there. Just hit it. So okay, Black Ops Cold War is launching right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's just like the old DS4 tool, if you used the DS4 tool before, the touchpad becomes like a little mini mouse. You know what I'm saying? A little mini mouse that you can just use whenever, whatever. So okay, that's done. Now look, little mini mouse. So this is all on the controller. And yeah, as you saw before, it already recognized it as a DUALSENSE. There's one last thing I wanted to say. You're gonna get haptic feedback in terms of the motors, but the triggers have not yet been added. So that, as you can see, it recognizes my controller, but it recognizes it as an Xbox controller. So I'm just gonna go into Nuketown and just play a few games. I'm not going to play the best, because all I want you guys to see is that it's working and it's steady. And maybe, to be honest, this is my first time even doing it since I found out this actually works. I found this out from another YouTuber. His link will be in the description. I thought that it broke then. His link will be in the description. Make sure you check the original video out where I got it from. And yeah, that's it. Let's go into the game. Hopefully it doesn't take too long now. Yeah, okay, here we go. Nuketown 84. Bro, every Call of Duty they bring it out on Nuketown. What do you guys think of that? Do you think they should? Oh my god, I feel the haptic feedback. It was crazy. It actually vibrates. Hold on, let me try and put it next to the... Oh yeah, and plus this application you can do it through via Bluetooth as well. Look, I can spin round and do whatever. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Oh my god, I feel it. Oh my god, I feel it. Hold on, I'm gonna die again. Oh my god, I feel the haptic feedback. It's like, you hear that? Oh wait, let me see if you guys hear that. I'm putting it right super close to the microphone right now. Wait, I'm gonna let this guy kill me. Oh my god, it feels good actually. It's not like, I don't know how to do, what's it called? Oh my god, you feel it. Oh, this is real haptic feedback. Oh my god, I don't know why. Bro, I'm not really good at the... But I haven't used controller in so long. It feels weird. I was playing this before and I was getting like 30 kills to 5. Now I'm getting barely any. Hold on, let me just kill one person and let's go to the next game. Oh, you know what? Oh my god. You know what? I feel like you guys get the message. It works. And